What's up guys, it's Aaron. We're coming to you from Gallatin, Tennessee today. We've got a cool water feature for you. It's a 19-foot pondless waterfall with a twist. The homeowner is a proud grandfather and he's found this really cool twin girl fountain where it's like a bronze fountain and they're playing in the water. He's like, Aaron, can you design a water feature around this? And he showed it to me and I'm like, all right, here's what I would do. Put together a plan, waterfall, following the contour of the sidewalk. He loved it. I was like, that was option A. Let me give you option B. And he's like, nope, stop. I love option A. Let's just do that one. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of noise, drown out neighbor sounds and all that stuff. And he's just gonna let his granddaughters sit out there. They're gonna run and jump and play all over the rocks and stones around the whole area is gonna be a play zen garden, kind of a hangout for the granddaughters. Near the pool, he's got a zen garden actually behind you there. And so this is gonna be the total package here, so.